Ipaubayanan ng palasyo sa DILG ang pagbibigay ng preventive suspension order ng tanggapan ng Ombudsman para kay Makati Mayor Junjun Binay. Sinabi ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte na bukod sa personal na pag-aabot nito kay Binay, may iba pa namang pamamaraan para maibigay ang katuusan ng Ombudsman. Maaari itong ipaskil sa opisina katulad ng ginawa sa Gobernador ng Cebu o di kaya sa pamamagitan ng registered mail. Ayon rin kay Valte, may mga legal na paraan naman para questionin ang kautusan na ito ni Mayor Binay.
The case is fairly simple and clear-cut. The Ombudsman issued an order. It's a preventive suspension. It's in the Ombudsman law. It says that it's immediately executory. The DILG is the one being ordered to implement this particular suspension order. Mayor Binay also has, as a citizen, is also entitled to legal remedy. As mentioned by Assistant Ombudsman Rafanan, until such time that a higher court issues a temporary restraining order, then the suspension order should stand.